Yes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to say it the way I received the stories, the way I was told all of the stories, or the way I saw the comments on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. Right. I heard something about Bulawayo. I heard something about Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, and I want to address in this video right now. Some of my commenters said, you know what? You are always talking about Bulawayo in Zimbabwe, and you are saying that the Ndebele people in Bulawayo or Ndebele people in Matabeleland. Do you know that this is not the case? This is not the real idea sometimes. So some of the people commenting on my videos on my YouTube channel said to me, there are the tribes in Bulawayo, there are the tribes in Matabeleland. Do you know about the Sutu? Do you know about the Tonga? Do you know about the Venda people? Do you know about the Skwana? Tonga, Venda, Skwana, Sutu. And I'm like, what? Man, guy, what are you telling me? So people commenting on my videos from Matabeleland province, from Matabeleland region, from Bulawayo, they said there are the tribes. And we want you to know from today, in terms of your content, in terms of your content creation, that there are the tribes in Bulawayo, tribes within Matabeleland region. And the name are Sutu people, Venda people, Tonga people, and Tswana people. They're also there in Bulawayo. So I want to thank you people. I want to thank you commenters or visitors on my channel. Whoever was commenting and whoever was watching my content, for giving me these insights and information or knowledge. I was very ignorant. I didn't know. I didn't know for sure. But now, because of your comments, now I know that it's not only Ndebele people in Bulawayo, in Matabeleland province. There are also Tswana people, Sotho people, Tonga people, and Venda people. They're also available in Matabeleland province and within Bulawayo town or Bulawayo city. So I'm making this video for me to publicly acknowledge my ignorance on this matter, and again say thank you so much, like the way I've expressed before. Because growing up in my life and all the people I met at different points of my life and at different times of my life, I used to think, when I hear of Bulawayo, I think of Ndebele people. When I hear of Matabeleland, I think of Ndebele people. So this was my mindset growing up, even to this point. Even the time when I went to Bulawayo in January and February this year, this was my mind, what my brain was always thinking. But no, I'm going to see Ndebele people. I'm going to chat, mix, mingle, and socialize with the Ndebele people. So this was my mindset. I didn't know that no, there are many tribes in Matabeleland. So now, when I go again to Matabeleland, I'll be wishing to see these people. When I go again to Bulawayo, I'll be wishing and hoping, praying to meet again these other tribes, to see the Sotho people, to see the Venda people, to see the Tonga people, to see the Skwana people. Tonga, Venda, Skwana, and Sotho people in Bulawayo, in Matabeleland province. This is what I'll be wishing for, hoping for, and praying for. And also believe in God that I want to see these tribes. Physically, I want to see them. Practically speaking, I want to see them. So this is now my hope as I go forward to the life. So I'm coming again to Bulawayo. I'm coming there. I don't know when, but I'm coming soon. I'm coming soon to Bulawayo. And I want to make a thorough research. I want to go deeper in my social research about tribes in Bulawayo, tribes in Matabeleland, everybody, including the foreigners that I had are in Bulawayo, foreigners from different countries, from different states that I had are in Bulawayo and Matabeleland province, and Matabeleland region. So I'm coming soon, and very soon in Bulawayo. You will see me there. You see my brand there. You see me in body, in flesh. You see me there in Bulawayo. And I want to see a lot of tribes personally. If possible, I'll also be doing interviews to interview the Soto people, interview the Venda people, interview the Tonga people, interview the Tswana people. I want to interview them. Yeah, so I'm coming in Bulawayo. So this is my video today, appreciating you, thanking you for broadening the horizons of my brain, broadening the horizons of my mind in terms of the social landscape of Bulawayo, social landscape of Matabeleland, in terms of tribal demarcations, tribal regions, or tribal allocations, which are available in Matabeleland, in Bulawayo. To recap and to conclude, the commenters on my videos, some of them, or one of them said, do you know there are Soto people? Do you know there are also Tswana people? Do you know there are also Tonga people? Do you know there are also Venda people in Matabeleland, in Bulawayo? It's not only Ndebele. It's not only foreigners or even the Shonas, as I came to know just now, that there are also Shonas in Bulawayo, in Matabeleland. About 30% to 35% are Shonas. I heard from another commenter on my video. So this other one was saying, no, there are also Tswana, Tonga, Venda, Sutu people in that region, Matabeleland, in that town, Bulawayo. So now I know. Thank you very much. God bless you. I really appreciate. So I'm done talking. I'm signing out. See you in the next video. Sharp.